Hi everyone, Archana here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well, and I'm so sorry I couldn't post any video after so long. And I got so many messages that they are waiting for my kits. So here we go. I have 3 kits and all three of them are Stamperia kits, since we got lot of new Stamperia collections. And also I have some other kits too, so I'm going to show you everything. And here we go. This kit called Princess, as I am using the collection which is Tamperia Princess collection. This is the one, and I have other video. In that video you can see each and every page from this collection, so I'm not going to open this paper pack since I have limited quantity, and if I open it I just have to keep it, so I don't want that happen. So this is the one. We will have 12 by 12 in this kit. Also I am giving you 8 by 8, so you can see very pretty princesses. And since this is very light color, very royal looking kit, I just thought I will add some light color flowers. But before that I'll show you one of the thing. This kit has one of the page where you can see the circle picture frame like that. So you can see there is a design. I'm not going to open it, but inside you can see the full image of this frame. So I have a similar frame like that. So here is the one, Prima one, and you are getting 2 different frames in this kit. So small one, big one. So this is beautiful picture frame, and it goes perfectly well with that, since this is the thing like simple plain border and some roses here. It is like typical kind of royal, vintage, shabby, whatever you can say it. This one is perfect for such kind of theme. And then I have 2 of the pieces which comes with the same theme, like this one, which is wooden shapes, and they are colored and they are really good. The size is really good. It's very big and all, and it has some holes, so you can make like a dangles or something. You can see here, very cute. And some this corset. So this one is here, and I have added die cuts, since die cuts are must for our album. So you can see, I'm not going to show you each and every piece, but you can see there are several beautiful images. Lots. We have all the princesses in this package. You can see, I think I can see at least 3 princesses here. 1, 2, 3. So this is a beautiful huge pack of die cuts. And then I thought I will add some of the pearl, since this collection's images has so many pearly things. So I thought I will just add this very pretty like goldenish touch pearl. And also I have these, say it in a crystal, these flat back things. And then this is the royal die cut from Scrapbook. Very cute. So you can create some kind of balcony. I haven't created anything since so long, so I don't have any sample album or cover page for you. I'm so sorry, but I will be definitely doing it soon. So this one is here, and since this collection is very light collection, you can see I have added 10 of these very light peachy, like dusty peachy colored wild roses, and I have some of the very light sage green colored roses, 10 of these. So these 20 roses are in this kit. So this is it. So this is the kit I wanted to show you, and let's move to the another wonderful kit. So this one, and this color is so pretty, and it's very unique collection, and everybody liked it. This is very popular collection right now. So let's see what I have for you. So this collection has also 12 by 12 and 8 by 8. So this is the hortensia, it means hydrangea. I think it's a Latin language, I'm not sure, but yes, it is. That means hydrangea. And you can see the lady's image is very cute, very pretty, and has bird cage, and very unique kit, I can say. I love it. I love the colors and all. And this kit has die cuts, very pretty die cuts. You can see they are chipboard die cuts, not like very thick cardstock. They are not it is not cardstock, it is a chipboard. So you can see, very pretty, right? And since it has all the hydrangeas, I don't have any paper flowers. Hydrangeas I miss rarely come like ready-made flowers for our craft. So what I did, I ordered this very pretty die, and you can create lots of flowers at a time. So you can see all the petals, 3 petals and 5 petals. And this die is by AG Art, and this one is included, so you can create your own hydrangea flower. So I haven't added any flowers, since this need only hydrangeas if you are creating something. So since this die is here, you can make lots of hydrangeas using all these colors from the collection, like white, pink, purple, lilac, like those blues, right? So this is there. And then I have this matching lace, which has 3 different colors, and it perfectly goes. You can see all the colors are here, and I think it's a 1 meter or 1 yard each one. And then I have added this sage green seam binding, and also I have added this cute lace also, which has small flowers. And then I have this bird cage, the Scrapbook chipboard piece. Since it has a bird cage, so I thought it will be helpful for your project. And since it has lots of butterflies, so I have added 2 of these butterflies. You can cut them with scissors. They can be divided. And this one. So this is the hortensia kit available right now. And now moving to our third kit. Here is our third kit, which is Winter Tales, and it is brand new collection. It's for coming winter collection. I have this 12 by 12 collection. You can see all the very pretty images. Oh my goodness. And the best part is we have these images pre-cut in chipboard and wooden pieces. Very pretty and very perfect size. They are not small, they are big enough. You can see this very royally looking deer here. So 12 by 12 and 8 by 8. And then we have this chipboard. You can see, even though they say it's chipboard, our die cuts are also made using chipboard. So they are all basically chipboard. So but this one has a sticker backing. That's what they says, it's chipboard stickers. But die cuts doesn't have a sticker backing, so they are just the die cuts. So you can see all the very pretty images from the collection. And then we have chipboards. Oh my god, I'm in love with this collection. You can see all these things. Amazing, right? Very festive looking. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have 2 wooden pieces. So look at this size. It's really good, decent size piece. This one too. You can see all the images, very pretty, very cute. So 2 of them are in this kit. And then I have added some of these crystals. Very cute, perfect, goes with this one since it has all different colors. You can see it's match with this one. And then I have added seam binding for your album closure. And also I have these poinsettia. Since this kit has a white poinsettias and some golden yellowish colors here and there you can see. So I thought this one is perfect. So this full pack of Prima poinsettias along with the holly leaves in gold color, you can see. Very pretty, right? So this collection is also available at craftycity.com. So please check it out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.